And what would be the best way for a brand owner to build the audience off of Amazon if they're not super experienced with that?
Yeah. So the way we can start is by looking at who's already showing up, who's already buying our product, and getting in front of that person. That could look like inserts in packaging. It could look like developing content for that demographic. It could look like emailing those customers and asking them what they're into and then speaking to them. It could look like a phenomenal customer service experience. But it is at first saying, okay, we're getting all these buyers. How do we serve the person that is behind these purchases? And how do we really go above and beyond to make them happy and to get them to refer other people like them to us? And then we start to build out the marketing machine to contact that type of person before they become a customer. I still like running content to email lists, running content amplified through paid media, getting them onto an email list, and then building follow-up sequences to promote them on Amazon. I still like that model 10 years later. And it's still probably the most underutilized strategy for building audience and building attention and getting sales. So that is a good starting point for a lot of internet entrepreneurs. But first you have to know who that person is. And that looks a lot like stopping being romantic about who you think the product is for and being really humble and asking who is behind it and what they want.
Yeah, I agree. We see that all the time, that we ask like, who's your ideal customer? Who, they have no idea. And now
Yeah,
Amazon's
anyone
starting
with
to,
money.
yeah, yeah. And on Amazon, they have with Amazon brand analytics now, you can get a lot of that demographic and data, age, income, a lot of really valuable data just on Amazon. So that's a good place to
Mm-hmm.
start if you
Yeah.
weren't aware that you can access some of that data on Amazon now.
Yeah, and I like just going to your existing customer base and asking them, and not necessarily like how old are you, but like why'd you buy this? What's the story behind this? What's the what is the real value that you're after here? Not just I bought it because it was cheap. Like what's the story behind the reason why you chose us over everybody else? And if you can find that piece, that's like the pivot point for you to start building some traction off Amazon.